The Softies at Indie Plush added a Twitter feed to their site to showcase their social presence and help their visitors stay up to date on the latest in eco-friendly plush animal news. They did this even though Weebly doesn't have a Twitter feed element, and most animals don't have opposable thumbs. How'd they do that? If you'd simply like a Twitter icon on your site, it's easy to add one via our Social Icons element. Just drag it anywhere, select Twitter, and enter the account you want to link. If you want to take it a step further, you can add your Twitter feed using our embed code element. Twitter provides an easy-to-use widget generator so you can share all your recent tweets with the visitors to your site. Just go to twitter.com/settings/widgets. Log in if you aren't already, and under Widgets, click Create New. Select the User Timeline tab and fill in your username, and alter any of the settings you want, like height and theme. When you're done, click Create Widget and copy the code. Now go to Weebly and enter the code into your embed code element. If you don't see your tweets, but instead see an error or a blank space, make absolutely sure you copied all the code that Twitter provided. Then, publish to double-check the live site and see if it shows up there. And that's how you do that.